we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for genealogy research. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see the main chat interface where you can type your queries. To start your genealogy research, think about what specific information you're looking for. You might be interested in tracing a particular family line, finding historical context for your ancestors, or even discovering famous relatives. Once you have your question in mind, you can type something like, "Help me trace my family lineage starting with my great-grandfather John Smith," or "What are some historical events that might have affected my ancestors in Italy around 1800" into the chat. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on where to look for records, such as census data, immigration documents, or local archives. It can also help by suggesting keywords to use in online databases. If you're looking to understand the historical context, ask ChatGPT about significant events during a specific time period or in a particular location. This can add depth to your family history research. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to guide and suggest, but it's important to verify information from reliable sources and official records. A helpful tip is to keep track of your findings and the sources you use, which can save you time and help prevent re-researching the same information. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your research questions as you go, which can lead to new discoveries. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.